Hello, I'm Allie Joy, and I'm a board certified art therapist and licensed professional counselor based in Connecticut. I've been using Jane to run my practice for almost 2 years now, and it has been a game changer for keeping my schedule organized and mostly stress free. And that's why I want to show you some of my favorite Jane features. Stick around as I share some features that help me stay organized, reduce the tasks on my to do list, and make my day run more smoothly. The first feature that I am so excited to share is one of the biggest time savers, and that is Jane's recurring appointment feature. Instead of manually booking the same client every week, I can set up a recurring appointment in just a few clicks. I love this because it cuts down on the admin work and it ensures that my regular clients have their preferred time slots locked in. I personally can easily forget if I haven't put an appointment in the calendar, and this offsets that so much. It also helps me so I'm not double booking or overbooking on a session or a slot that I meant to have somebody else in, all of those things because our brains are just so full. It keeps my schedule consistent, it reduces those last minute booking stress moments, and it also helps my clients maintain a steady routine. So setting it up is so easy. The first thing you have to do is make sure that you have shifts enabled. And if you don't, luckily it's right in the top right corner of your week view. Once shifts are enabled, when you're in your appointment window, you click on the two arrows in the appointment window, like I said, next to the copy button. You choose the day and frequency. You can do every week, every 2 weeks, etc. You choose the end date and you're booked. It's amazing. Many of my clients prefer recurring appointments so that they don't have to think about when we're meeting. They just have it built into their schedules. And this scheduling feature makes it so easy to do that. And it takes one thing off my to-do list every time I schedule appointments, which is, as we know, all the time. So again, for me, for the clients, the people that I work with, it really can just save so much time and just reduce those little tasks that just kind of pile up. And I feel like we don't even realize how much effort we put into these things because they're so small, but they really add up if you look at the whole week. And this can take all those little moments off of your to-do list. The next feature that I'm very, very excited to share about, because I actually am not sure how many people use this one, but it is color coding appointments. So I'm a board certified art therapist, as I shared. I'm a very visual person. So one of my favorite features is that I can color code my schedule. I love this because it gives me a very quick understanding of my day, who I'm seeing, what type of session it is, where I might have gaps, etc. I do a mixture of one-to-one work, I do supervision, and among other variations of types of sessions. The ability to color code each of these different parts of my day can be so helpful. It also helps me mentally prepare for my day, for sessions and meetings, and I can just prep myself for if I'm switching hats between being a therapist and a supervisor, if I'm getting ready for an intake, or if I have to make sure I have to prep any materials, if I'm doing an art therapy session. And it's so nice to just visually kind of see that in my schedule. And again, just help me mentally prepare if I'm going to be switching gears a lot that day. So to set it up, it's very easy if you want to use this feature and you already have an offering that you'd like to edit in Jane. So you just go to your settings. Under the offerings section, click on the sessions, classes, and group appointments tab. If you already have the offering or the session set up, you click on edit and you can change the color further down. Or if you're creating a new session, you can assign the color there. It's a little bit further down towards the bottom. And with 10 colors to choose from, there are plenty of options depending on your color preferences. I have to say the mint, lavender, pink, and of course Jane blue are my favorites for my schedule. And again, it just helps so much when I open Jane each morning. I can immediately see what kind of day I have ahead based on the colors. It makes me feel more controlled, prepared, and visually, I just enjoy the way it looks. So it's a great feature if you're also a visual person. The next feature that I'm going to highlight, and it's so hard to pick because there are so many to choose from, is the break feature. As therapists, we know the importance of self-care. We talk about it all day, but let's be real, it's easy to forget to take breaks. That's why I use Jane's break feature to schedule myself a break every day if I can, whether that's lunch, a bathroom break, things like that, because if I don't put it in my schedule, I will not take it. I will book myself back to back all day. So it really helps because it makes sure that I don't overbook myself, make sure I take time to eat, recharge, and reset before the next part of my day. And again, if I don't actually put a break on my schedule, I will just book without a second thought. So without it, I would probably just keep seeing clients back to back, feel a little burnt out and tired by the end of the day, maybe realize I haven't eaten or peed in like 6 hours. So by scheduling these breaks, it really helps me treat it like any other appointment that's non-negotiable. Setting it up, as always in Jane, is super easy. When you're in your schedule view, you click the break button in the bottom left corner. Then you click where you want your break to be on your schedule. You adjust the time, add whatever note you want. I usually add something humorous in because that's my style, like non-negotiable lunch break, pee break, something like that. And of course, just like my first favorite feature, you can make this recurring. You can make it every week, every day, if that feels helpful, so that again, you don't have to click it all the time. But if it varies from day to day, you can just schedule that super quickly by clicking that break button and putting it in your schedule. So again, it keeps me accountable to really step away from my desk, to stretch, to be more mindful of my time, because it's so easy for us to get wrapped up in the business of the day. You know, especially if we tell ourselves, if you do 60-minute sessions, say, it's like, oh, I'm always going to leave myself 10 minutes to write notes and go pee. Do I? No. So making sure that I schedule these breaks really holds me accountable and mindful of that. So I would be very lost and very booked if I did not use that feature. And finally, the last feature that I will share for today, and it was so hard to pick all of these, but the last one I'm going to talk about in scheduling is the notes feature. Sometimes I just need a quick reminder about something for a session or my day, and Jane's note feature is perfect for that. I love it because it helps me jot down important details without having to keep a million sticky notes everywhere or keeping my physical calendar from looking just very chaotic, which is how I did things before Jane's notes. It helps because if it's a reminder to follow up with a client, prep for a session, check back in about something, I have those notes right where I need them. And it's great because these notes only show up internally, and creating an administrative note in Jane will not appear on any patient-facing documents or communication. And they're also available in a few other places besides schedule. So in the patient profile, invoices, a couple other places. But I use it most when I'm scheduling appointments. So right in the appointment window, when you're setting it up, there's a notes box. I add in any details to follow up on for that next session. And it's amazing because the note shows right in the block on your schedule. You can also choose to have the note show on a future appointment by clicking the star that's right there in that little notes part. And if it's something that comes up often, if it's something you're going to be talking about for a while, that's a great feature to easily turn on and off. And another fantastic feature is that you can turn that note into a task if it's something you have to follow up on later. So the options are endless and it's so customizable. It makes it so easy to see it right there in my schedule without having to dig for anything, go to another window, flip to another week, anything like that. And it's the perfect ping my brain needs before I jump into a session to really start off strong, keep the things in mind, make sure I'm not forgetting anything. So it's really great, again, if I want to remember to bring up a specific topic with a client in their next session, I just leave a quick note right there. And when I open the appointment, the reminder's there. So many less steps, so much less searching, all of the things. It's fantastic. So if you're not using this, you should be. It's a great one to check out. So that is a quick-ish, I would say, look at some of my favorite Jane features that help me stay on top of my schedule and really streamline my day-to-day. From recurring appointments to color coding, scheduling breaks, and using notes, Jane makes it so easy to stay organized and focused on what matters most, which is helping my clients without making more work for myself. We do enough during the day. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions or want to share your own favorite Jane features, drop them in the comments. Thank you for watching and happy scheduling!